Kindergarten, we are going to get started with our math for today, March 25th. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. All right. I need your mask up, sir. Mr. Riley, I need your mask up. All right, Anajay, I need your video off, honey. Anajay, video off and your microphone off. Thank you. All right, Kaden and Edison, you guys ready? All right, here's what we need to do. I need you to think about the numbers that we have been talking about lately. We've been talking about a number and adding 10 to it, and then adding another group of 10 to it, and adding another group of 10 to it. Well, today, we're going to be looking at some of those big numbers that we were looking at that were at the bottom of that hundreds chart, and we're going to be taking those numbers and we're going to be putting them in order from smallest to biggest. Our student-friendly learning target says I will put numbers in order. Now, when we look at the numbers, we're going to look at the number that's in the tens spot, the number that is in the front of those numbers. In order to do this and get some practice, I have some number cards here that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be looking for kids who are really super strong to come up and pick a number card for me. And then what we have to do is we have to put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Now, the thing is that it's not going to just be easy like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There could be numbers like 87 and 23 and 54 and 68. We have to be able to look at those numbers, and we have to be able to identify the number in the 10 spot to put them in the correct order. All right. Parrot, I need your mask up over your nose, please. All right, here we go. I'm looking for Peyton. Come on up. You're going to look at your card. You're going to pick it first. Look at it, and you're going to tell everybody what number you have. Then we're going to line up here in the front so that way we can make sure that we're putting our numbers in the correct order. All right, I'm looking for really strong kids. Okay, pick any card that you want here, honey, that I'm holding. All right, so I want you to turn it to the computer and show them what number you have. And you tell everybody here at the class what number you have. 6 and a 3 says
63.
63. We're going to put you right here, okay? And if we have to shuffle you around, we'll do that, okay? I'm looking for another super strong kid. Antonia, come on up, honey. I love how you're focusing and your eyes are on me and you're watching to see what is happening. Pick any card you want, honey. All right, turn it around and show Anajay at home. Now we're going to read this number together. A 6 and a 1 says 61. Okay, now the question is, should she stand over here? Hold your cards up, girls, so they can see. Should she stand on this side or should she stand on this side? Which number comes first? When you guys are counting, your little numbers are over here on this side, and your big numbers are over here on this side. So where should she stay? Should she stay or move? Kaden. She should stay, because when we count, we would say 61, then 62, and then 63. I need a new friend to come up and get a card. Ooh, Delilah, come on up. Don't worry, everybody's going to get a chance. Pick a card, any card, my dear. All right. It's okay, it's okay. Turn around, show our friend. A 4 and a 6 says 46. All right, so where should Delilah stand? Should she stand over here on the left or over here on the right side? Kaden. On the right side. So you think she should stand where I'm standing?
Yeah.
Oh, but that's not 64, Kaden. Hold up your card again. This is 46. So what number are you looking at? Are you looking at the 6 in the 1 spot, or should you be looking at the number in the 10 spot? Looking at the 10 spot. So, Kaden, does 4 come before 6 on the left side, or does it come after 6 when you count? 4, 5, 6. Where should it go? Savannah, where should it go?
Over there.
Over here on this side. So Delilah, I'm gonna move you. Because Kaden, look at our number line. Everybody, let's count to 10 to get these numbers in our brain. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we have 6 right here, Kaden, 4, do you see any 4 over here? On the number line, Kaden, do you see a 4 on this side? It's a yes or no question. Kaden, do you see a 4 right here? Do you see a 4 here? Do you see a 4 here? No. How about over here? Do you see a 4 on this side? Yes. So that's why our 4, 46, it has a 4 in the 10 spot, comes before a 6. I need you to stand strong. I need another kid to come up here. Mia, come on up. There are 15 of you, so we're gonna go a little bit quicker. And then let's have Matthew come on up here and grab a card. And Perry, come on up here and grab a card. Oops, sorry. Okay, and Perry. There we go. All right, let's look at Matthew, or Mia. Mia, can you tell everybody what number you have? 5 and a 9 says 59. All right, hold on, boys. 59. Where should 59 go? Should it come before 61 or after 63? Look at our number line. We have 4, then we have 5, and then we have 6. So where should Mia go for 59? Haja?
Over here.
No, it has to be, you have to use your words. Should she be next to Peyton or next to Antonia?
Next to Peyton.
Next to Antonia, because, Haja, look, we have a 5. See this number right here, 59? 5 comes before 6. Find the 5 on your number line, Haja. Then comes 6. Can we put a 5 after 6?
No.
No, so we need to move Mia over here between the Delilah 46 and Antonia 61. Thanks for focusing. All right, look at your number, Matthew. What number do you have?
73.
73. Where should you stand? Should you stand by Peyton or should you come stand by Delilah? Yep, stand next to Peyton. Peyton has a 6. So now the next number is 7. He has a 73. Matthew, what number do you have? Or Perry, excuse me. What number do you have, Perry? Hold it up so we can all see. What number is that, buddy?
52.
52. Okay, so now we have to see where the 50s are. Who's got a 50, Perry? Come look over here. Who's got a 50? Yeah, so you need to come stand by here. Can you stand in front of a 46? Nope, so you have to say, excuse me, Delilah. All right, so we have 2, 4, 6. I need one more kid to come up here, and then we're going to do this again, but we're going to do it in a different way. Kaylee, come on up. Pick a card, and then I want you to go stand where you should be in number order. Okay, turn around and show it to the computer. What number do you have?
98.
98. Kaylee, come stand where it should be.
Right there.
9 is right here, but where are you going to stand in this line? We have 46. Yes. So everybody take one step down. Scooch, 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 scooch. Thank you. Now, Kaylee is a 98. She's the biggest number on our number line, so she is going to be at the end of our line. All right, are you ready? Okay, I'm going to take these cards. Kaylee, I'm going to take your card. You are all going to go back. If you did not get a card, I want you to come up now and get a card from me. All right, so Leah, yep, and now Leah and Josh and Journey, come on up. We're going to do this again. I'm going to have you stand right here. We're going to do this again, but this time you are going to have to find out where you need to stand all by yourself. You're going to look at your cards and you're going to identify if you come before or after that number. All right? If you are at your desk, you're watching to see where they stand. Ready? Josh, I'm going to just give you a card. And Addison and Leah, put yourselves in order. Kaden. Ready? All right. Here we go. Yep, thanks for showing it. Okay, I'm going to start with Haja. Haja, what number do you have? Hold yours up. You don't have to hold yours up right now.
50.
Look at it again. 5 and a 5 says.
55.
Oh, but you're only saying the first number.
55.
55. So Haja, you're going to come stand right here. Kaden, you're going to go up next. Kaden, hold your card up so that Ronnie and Anajay can see. A 2 and an 8 says
28.
good job. So should you stand so that your number is bigger or smaller than Haja's 55?
4.
It's smaller. Good job. All right, Addison, come on over here. Show them your number. What number do you have?
4.
4. Is your number bigger or smaller than Caden's?
Smaller.
Smaller. So you're going to go way over by the computer chart there. Josh, I want you to show, I need you to stand strong. Show them your number at home. Ready? 5 and a 0 says 50. Is your number bigger or smaller than Haja's 55? Is it bigger? If you're sitting at your table chairs, is 50 bigger or smaller? Give me a thumbs up if it's bigger. Give me a thumbs down if it's smaller. 50, is it bigger than 55 or smaller than 55? It is smaller. Good. So Josh, you're going to stand here. Journey, show them your number. What card do you have? A 6 and a 0 says 16. Is your number bigger than Haja's 55?
Yeah.
Yep, so you're going to stand over there. Alea, come do yours next. Show them your number. 3 and a 1 says 31. Is your number bigger or smaller than Caden's? Caden's is 28. 31. Is 3 bigger or smaller than 2? Alea, is 3 bigger or smaller than 2? Because we're looking at the number in the tens place value. It's bigger. So you're going to sit right here. All right. You need to be in line. You need to be facing forward. We got 2 kids left. Savannah, what number do you have? 2 and a 0 says 20. You need to go stand over by Kaden. And Leah, here's yours. What's your number? A 1 and a 5 says 15. Ooh, 5 and a 1 says 51. But look at your number. Your number has a 1 in the front. So 1 and a 5 says 15. All right, come over here, please.
Take it with you.
Come
Take
on.
it with you.
Take it with you. Sit right here. All right, so now we have another number line. We learned that we can look at the number that's in the 10 spot. But if 2 numbers are the same, we have to jump to the 1 spot. I want you to give me your cards, and you can all go back to your spots. I need your card. Thank you. You may get out your math paper for today. You may get your math paper out. We're going to work on that now. Okay, you need your pencils out, and I need your attention for the top. Not right now, honey. Okay, I'm going to move this up. Kaden, can you please go turn the light off, the one that's closest to the heart? Yeah. You're going to see a lot of money on this one section of your paper. Oh, Kaden, just one. There you go, the one that's closest to the heart. Kaden, turn the one that's off closest to the heart, push it down, and turn the other one back up. Turn it down. There you go. Now you got it. Thank you. I'm going to fix the focus on here. You need your math paper out, and you need a pencil. If you can hear me, clap once. You can hear me, clap twice. Give me a thumbs up if you have the date on your paper. Okay? We used our rulers to make a line segment for the top of our paper. So, give me 1 second to do that as well. Journey, you're going to have to find your paper out of your folder or your chair bag, wherever you put it. Okay. I have my line segment drawn. A line segment is a line with 2 endpoints. I'm going to put my name at the top. And can somebody please read the date for me? You have it on your paper. Alea, thanks for raising your hand. What's the date, honey? March. Look at your paper, honey. March what? What number did you write? Say it really loud, honey, because I've got this. Yep, so 2 and a 5 says 25. Ooh, try it again. 2 and a 5 says 25. So March 25th, comma, 2021. Who can read the day of the week for me off their paper? Savannah, what day of the week are we on?
Tuesday.
Ooh, honey, look again. It's the other T day of the week. It makes that.
Wednesday.
Honey, listen. It's T and H. It makes that tickle sound when you blow out through your teeth and your tongue sticks out. Thankful Thursday. Good. All right, if you have that done on your paper, give me 2 claps on 2. 1, 2. Ooh, try it again. Give me 2 claps on 2. Good. I want you to look at number 1. What number are we tracing and writing for number 1? Haja.
83.
Good. Say this with me. 8 and a 3 says 83. Again. 8 and a 3 says 83. You need to trace it once and then write it all by yourself 3 more times. Remember, it's make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. That's how we write the number 8. All right, look at the question for number 1. It says, how many digits are on the line? We have to count the one we traced and the 3 extra ones we wrote by ourselves. Raise your hand if you have an answer for me of how many digits are on the line. Delilah. 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do tally marks next. The tally marks are to 25. We did that with calendar this morning. So that should be easy peasy.
You need to stop with that and include that all at the end because they're falling behind. And now you need to jump over here to do tally marks.
All right, here's the tally marks. Tasha, you ready? Here we go. Make them small. 1, 2, 3, 4, diagonal 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, diagonal 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, diagonal 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, diagonal 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's okay if they spill out a little bit. The important part is that we have our 25 tally marks done with our diagonal marks. All right, thumbs up when you have your 25 tally marks done. Kaden, you're doing a great job. You can go get a ticket. Perfect. They're over by Leah. All right, great. I'm moving on to number 2. It says write a number word that has 2 vowels. Oh, baby. We need to look at our letter words up here. Just, no, we're not blurting out. Thank you. Just give me a thumbs up as a silent signal. We need to look at our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, I know my vowels too. What number word do you see that has 2 vowels? There are a couple of different choices that you could pick from. You need to look below that word and look at the number to make that connection between your number word and the number you write. Raise your hand if you can tell me which number word has 2 vowels. Addison.
0.
0. What are the 2 vowels in the word 0? Good. So we're going to write 0. Z, E, R, O. 0. Write that on the line next to the question that says how many or which word has 2 vowels in it. Get a ticket. Get a ticket, Savannah, get a ticket. Tasha, you can get a ticket. Thank you for walking. Hey, go get a ticket. Delilah, it's time. Here we go. Now it says, write another number word that has exactly 2 vowels. So this means we can't pick one that has 3 vowels or 1 vowel. We need to pick a word that has 2 vowels. What's a different word, Haja, that we could use that has 2 exact vowels?
Number 2.
Oh, what are the vowels in the word 2? A, E, I, O, U. So tell me which are the 2 vowels you see in the word 2.
I see T.
Is that a vowel? No. Journey, what's another letter or another word that has 2 vowels in it? What's another word? 8. 8. Is that what you said? 8. Yes. What are the 2 vowels in the word 8? Say it louder. You got it.
I.
E and I. Good job. Because A, E, I, O, U. So we're going to write the word 8. E, I, G, H, T. 8. So write that on the line. EIGHT. Do you have it written, Carrie? Okay. I need you to work on writing that. Haja, go. Savannah, go. Haley, go. Peyton, go. Okay. Mia, Delilah, Journey, go. Leah, go. Just quickly, girls. Quickly. How's it? Just the top one, Haja. Matthew, go. Tonight, go. All right, now we need to write a number sentence to show how many letters you wrote. So, how many letters are in the word zero? Count the letters for me, Kaden. How many letters do you see? Say it nice and loudly. 4. Good job. So write a 4 on your line. What is the math symbol, Matthew, to show that we're going to put two groups together? Are we using a plus or a minus sign? Plus. So write your plus sign. How many letters are in the word 8? Savannah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Good. What's the math symbol we have to use to show that we have an answer almost here? Kaden, what's our math symbol to show answers coming? Here's my happy dance.
Minus.
Not a minus. Minus means takeaway. We're showing our happy dance that something is almost done. I'm giving you a cue with my 2 fingers like this, Kaden, so that it will help you remember. Leah. Equals. Kaden, this is an equal sign. It's 2 little lines on top of each other. It's just like my fingers I showed you with my happy dance. Okay, now we need to do our math. We need to do the actual adding part of this. 4 plus 5. Put the 4 on your number line. Find the 4 on your number line. Touch the 4 on your number line. Hop 5 more times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did you land on? Antonia. No, honey.
8.
We're on 4. Savannah, turn. We're on 4. We have to hop 5 times. Ready, Kaden? Here we go. Ready, Matthew? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Haja, what number did you land on?
9.
9. Good job, Josh. Go take a ticket. And we have to put that answer on the line underneath. How many letters is that? 9. Perfect.
Then, did you say something?
Here.
1.
Okay. Alea, go get a ticket.
And then,
Savannah, get a ticket. I know. I'm just looking. I know. We'll get it. I promise. I need your brown crayon out. I need you to find your brown crayon. You need your brown crayon. Brown, the color of coffee, the color of chocolate. My 2 favorite brown things.
me.
You like coffee?
No.
Okay.
I'm not.
Yeah. Yes, you are. You are my second favorite, my third favorite. Coffee, chocolate, and Mr. Porter. Don't tell my husband.
No, I won't. That's the joke for the day.
All right, here we go. Ready?
You got your brown.
All right. We need to look at these points. Remember our pennies, our brown. They have the fancy Lincoln Memorial building on it. And they have President Abraham Lincoln with his fancy coat on. So we need to look. Is this a penny? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, it's a penny. Thumbs down. No. Nope, that is President Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He is not going to be colored brown. Is this President Lincoln or the Lincoln Memorial Building? Thumbs up? Yes. Thumbs down? No. No. How about this one? Thumbs up? Color it brown? Thumbs down? No. No. How about this one? Yes, I see a thumbs up. Color that one brown.
Yes. Pay attention.
How about this fourth one? First or fifth one? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Matthew, who is this? President Lincoln. Good. Color that one brown. How about this one? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Is this one going to be colored brown? Alea? Yes, it is. That's the Lincoln Memorial Building. How about the seventh coin? Am I going to color that one, Mia?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. That's President Lincoln again. Beautiful. Thank you for working so hard. And the last one, Haja. Is this going to be colored brown?
Yes.
Why is it going to be colored brown?
Because that's President Lincoln.
That last one is President Lincoln? No, I don't see a face on it. It's the Lincoln Memorial Building. Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Just give me a thumbs up. Savannah, Leah, Alea, get a ticket. Get tonight. I'm going to get you one. All right. Perfect.
Paper down. Oh, there you go.
All right, here's what we need to do. We need to count the money now. So we're going to start with our dimes. Those are worth 10 cents. And then we're going to flip our brains to count the rest of them. Savannah, focus. Here we go. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, flip. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 what? What's our label for this journey? Cent sign. So write 35 cents on the line. Don't forget your cent sign. Okay, find your brown or your pencil or whatever you need. 35 cents. Oh, 35 cents. Just need to write 35, Josh. No, and a 5 says 35. Make sure that I got 5 right here. Get your numbers, please.
Here's clear.
Now you need to write your answer. It's 9. Okay. Are you ready, girls? Here we go. Look at number 4. It says circle the shapes that. Oh, thanks for raising your hand. Thanks for helping me out with this one. It says circle the shapes that are divided into fourths. That means 4 equal sections. I need somebody to come up here and do that. Leah, come do one. Peyton, come do one. Kaylee, come do one. Okay, the markers are right in the little cup at the bottom. I want you to circle it on your paper, the shapes that are divided into 4 equal sections. 4 equal sections. All right. I want you to look at what we have at the on the paper here. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Ready? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Does this square or this rectangle, excuse me, have 4 equal sections? Equal means the same amount, no big sections, little sections? Yes, that should be colored. Or circle them, excuse me. This one, skip for a minute. How about this circle? Is this circle divided into 4 equal sections?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go back to this one. Is this one divided into 4 sections? Yes, but here's the tricky part. Is this divided into equal sections? Are they all the same size?
No.
No. Leah, take a ticket because I kind of set you up for that. I wanted to see if you noticed. That shape has 2 little spots on the top and 2 big pieces at the bottom. Honey, no, take a ticket means go get one out of the basket to put into your ticket dish because I'm rewarding you for helping me out, even though I kind of was being tricky. This one we should not circle because this one, Journey, is not equal. There's 4 pieces, but they're not equal. So if you erase or if you made a circle around that, erase it. There should not be a ring around it because it's 4 sections, but it's not equal. All right, now this is what we did with our number cards earlier today. Kaden, we've got 25, 42, 13, 31. We have to put these number cards in order from least to greatest. Are you ready, Peyton? Take a ticket out of your dish. Which one is the smallest number? 25, 42, 13, 31. Addison, what's the smallest one?
13.
Say it again. 13. So we're going to write 13 in the first box on that card. We're making our own number cards like we just used. Write a 13 in that box. Perry, give me a thumbs up when you have a 13 written in that box. Good. Okay, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to cross off the 13 to show that I used it. I don't want to use that one again. What is the next number? If we're counting from 13 to 42, what number am I going to say next? 25, 42, or 31? Look at the number that's in the tens place value. Aiden, what number is going to be next?
20.
I'm waiting for Kaden. Should I go on to somebody else? Or do you have the answer? Matthew, what's our next one? 25, 42, or 31? 25, good. Put a 2 and a 5 in that box. We have a 1 in the tens place value. Now we have a 2 in the tens place value. What's the next number, Delilah? 42 or 31? Good job. Honey, what number is in the tens place value?
3.
Good job. And then what is our biggest number that we're going to put on that number card? Kaden, 40? I don't have a 40 there. I have this card right here. 4 and a 2 says
42.
good, 42. That's our biggest number. We increased with a 1 in the 10 spot, then a 2 in the 10 spot, then a 3 in the 10 spot, and now a 4 in the 10 spot. We're going to do this part together, and then you're going to do the last 3 by yourself. if we're at 37 and we add 10 more, so a 3 and a 7, what would be the next number when we add 10 more? We have to drop down on our hundreds chart. You can find 3 and a 7 makes 37 on your green number square on your name tag. Perry, what is 10 more than 37? 37. 37 and you add 10 more. What do you have, Perry? Okay, put your hand down then, Delilah. Then you have
47.
47. Good. Hold on 1 second. I want to show you this. Look right here. Okay? Here is 37. There's a circle around it. Eyes are on me, Perry.
Pay attention.
Okay, Addison, Savannah, Alea. Here's 37. If I add 10 more, I drop down. Now I have 47. Look at the next one. The next one is 15. Here is your 15. Let me see if I can get this. There we go. Look, it's circled on the board. There's 15. We need to add 10 more. What do I get if I have 15 and I drop down? I add 10 more. 15 is a 1 and a 5, so 10 more is going to make it, Kaden. What number? Haja?
25.
25. Kaden, here's 15. Drop down. 25. All right. So I would like you to finish the last 3 by yourself. You need to look at the ones place value. This is a plus sign. 3 plus 0 and write the number down. 6 plus 1 and write the number down. Mr. Schaefer, I need 13 today. Thank you. All right. When you have your math facts done, raise your hand. We're going to come check it. All right, Anajay and Ronnie, we did the 3rd and the 4th lines of our facts for this assignment, so you can keep working on that when you are done. I will post this video later to YouTube for you if you need to go back. Okay.